Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef cheese pasta. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once cooked through, drain any excess fat to keep your dish light and flavorful. Next, add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the skillet, cooking until the onion softens and becomes translucent. This step builds the foundational flavors for our delicious pasta. Now let's create that rich, savory sauce. Pour in 1/28 can of crushed tomatoes, stirring it well with the beef and aromatics. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, and salt and pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering and letting it cook for about 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. While your sauce simmers, cook 12 ounces of your favorite pasta, such as elbow macaroni or shells, according to the package directions until al dente. Drain it well. Back to the sauce, stir in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's completely melted and smooth, creating a creamy base. Then, fold in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, allowing it to melt into the sauce. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the drained, cooked pasta directly into the skillet with your rich, cheesy beef sauce. Toss gently until every piece of pasta is coated in that deliciousness. You can garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a touch of color and freshness. Serve your beef cheese pasta immediately and enjoy this comforting, satisfying meal. It's truly the only way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.